Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake easy and quick. First, ensure you have all your ingredients at room temperature for a smooth mix. A springform pan is essential for easy serving, so have one ready. Remember, the chilling process is just as important as baking for that perfect texture. Let's get started with our simple crust, which comes together in just minutes. Creating a delicious crust is surprisingly simple. Start by crushing about 1½ cups of graham crackers until fine. Then, mix these crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of your 9-inch springform pan. This forms a sturdy base for your creamy cheesecake filling. Now for the star of the show, the creamy filling. In a large bowl, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's perfectly smooth. Gradually add 3/4 cup of sugar, then 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour this luscious mixture over your prepared graham cracker crust, spreading it evenly. Baking your cheesecake to perfection is the final step before chilling. Bake it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 55 minutes, or until the edges are set. Once baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack. Then, refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to achieve that classic firm cheesecake texture. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.